Hi everyone, just updated the openshed site, trying to simplify the menu system a bit, and now it's got sub-menus, but I wanted to put our list of people into a one page of about the people at the openshed. So I'm just going to show you how I do that. Let's just make sure this is recording this time. I think it must be because the computer's going real slow. Good. Right, so under structure, we have views, and I've already opened this tab for adding a new view, so just at the top of there, add new view, you'll get this to come up, and we want this to be called people. And we want a page, and we want a page of users, and newest first, why not? And how many items on a page? Well, hopefully we're going to have lots of members, so I'm going to say 0, and then it will just be all of them, I think. Which doesn't really make sense, does it? So I'll say 32, and then they can use pages from there. Okay. And we'll display the rendered entities. That way we can decide in configuration of people how they're displayed. Let's see how that comes out. So here we are. We have a history of someone and the history of someone else. So this person, I think that must be Ross, because she does lots of printmaking, lino cut work and stuff. And that must be Ian. Oh yeah, there you go, biography Ian. So really we don't want history, and we would like people's names, but that's the basic page that I'd like, so that's great, and we'd like it to be part of the menu. So here I'm making a normal menu entry, let's call that people. And the menu I'd like it to go in is main menu. And apply that. And right, I'll just save that. Okay, so let's have a look at it. So here's people. Now obviously it's not being arranged the way I'd like, and I think maybe we could have maybe we'll hide the skills and just use that for searching, and we'll certainly hide the history, and we don't need that. So I'll show you how to do that. So in configuration, I have a status report problem. Yeah, something to do with MailChimp. I'll just leave that for now. And people, so account settings. Now everyone has a username, but that isn't necessarily the name that they'd like to go by. So under here I'm going to add some fields. So let's see, name. So you have a username and you have a name, and that's just text and a text field. And I think that should go after their username and password. Yes, let's remember characters is good. And I'm going to say that's a required field, and I'd also, yeah, which means it has to be displayed on registration. They can only have one name, so that's fine. And that's how you add a field to your users. And now I'm going to show you how to display the items in the way that you want to. So biography, a title above, skills, and inline links, format, plain, editable. So name, let's put the name above it. There's no need for a title with that. Yeah, just display its plain text, and then we can use the style sheet to make that bigger. Oh, and I don't want the history to be shown at all, so I'll save that. And there we go. Let's see how that looks. Right, so now the history's gone. Obviously people's names haven't appeared yet, and we have people's pictures. Which is nice. Which are linked to their user account. So I give there is name, and now we view it. There we go. And let's go back to people. I think I need to run through and put people's names in. And maybe some kind of separator. Oh, I think I might also shorten this and have a readable link that takes you to the user and all that, but that can all be done in views, which we can see by editing here. So if we were to change this to fields, this is another way of displaying things. So here we go, Mike Ross. Then we've got their username coming up as a link, and I would like to add their biography. go. Now biography, yes, you have a label, and let's rewrite the results. I'd like to limit the output, so here we go with trim it to maximum length of, I don't know, 200 characters. Add ellipses, add a read more link, and in the read more link I don't know if I need to fill out the path which used with the read more link. You may enter data replacement from above. Oh yeah, replacement patterns. Right, so I'd need to make a link before that. I'm going to leave off the read more link. They can click on the username to get it. So there we go. Dot dot dot. Mike biography. I don't know whether I actually need that title. Maybe I'll just leave that off. The thing in the brackets here within fields is what's used in the title. There we go. So we have title, people, and then Mike, Ross, David, Pete, everyone. Okay, let's save that. And there we go. There we go. Oh, I didn't know he spoke Arabic. Okay, so that's me. Oh, 77 sites. Not anymore. Oh, my name field is required. That's so cool. Okay. Now I can safely remove those links from the main menu. So I've made a link to the main menu in here. When you're on any administration page, you can just click the little plus button that appears there, and it puts it in the main menu. So we don't need David. We don't need these links anymore, as we have links to the people. Let's save that. Excuse me, let's see. So I could get this to be displayed as my full name. And there we have it. So that's how to do stuff with all that. Right, let's see if I can stop this recording.